All you can iced tea at Mocha Blends. Sky Rice. Yeah.
Nakainan ako, no?
That's 10 dua ay.
Yeah, puta ng YouTube eh.
James.
Valentino Rossi. There's Valentino Rossi.
Kasi nakatalikot kasi. O yan, mag-side view ka. Para may view naman konti.
That's round 6 of bottomless iced tea. Round 6 out of 20.
6 pa lang.
6.
That's Saint Elord.
The karaoke king, Saint Lord. Uy, nari ka din trabaho iya. May takuan ako ka motorbike ka. Tumukan sa corona. I cannot introduce you. One by one, I couldn't memorize their names. But anyway, guys, the third zone is like, where should I start?
Promoter, hindi ka na sana.
You know, I need to be. Kalimtan ako nga dyan eh. Please. We already have an option. That next time she might bring another few office mates girls.
Oh, yan Stella. Coming.
Picnic there. Her name is Sheila.
Sheila.
Sheena.
Oh, alright, you got that. Perfect. I thought it said
Niga, uy. Kaya, Hingi kayo? Hidli na gud. Pagkumba ba?
Oh, wala ba kayo? Wala ba nakita na makilala, no? Mayroon na. Sige, no, mayroon na. Kamu wala pa. Tomorrow morning pa.
Guard. Kailan guard? Guard lang ako. Guard.
Ang bossy. Yeah! Asa ka?
6 rounds. 6 rounds.
Sige na, 7.
Da.
Bay, alam niyo kung nasaan yung camera na ng sa computer, oh. Ano ba? Ano yung mas
Sura na si Kuaning, 7 ako na ikaw no?
Silence of the Lambs.
Sino walang tumingan naman?
Pasagdaan man tayo tayo laban. Ang man, gawas na to.
Share, show bill.
Hindi tama mo dito.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, kusog tayo laman na galing lang sakyanan ka.
Dali na,
Ikaw!